Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 10th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're going to start off on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, because of this impulsive down breaker structure we have over here, I am looking at this as an A or maybe a 1. I think it's an A. This move up, I think, is a B or maybe a 2. I think it's a wave B, and I still think this is more likely going to be a downtrend for a wave C. Most likely it's going to take out this low before it potentially turns back up one more time to finish off the higher weekly time frame 5 wave uptrend that we are potentially in. So this may just be a wave 4 of that 5 wave trend on the weekly. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. If we get a 3 wave corrective pattern up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels with a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside or a nice break of structure to the downside at a Fib level, then I definitely would be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.